Introducing the SanEcoTank, the new inside grease recovery system from SanEmax. In the past, cooking oil disposal was messy and dangerous for the employees. The dangers of working around hot cooking oil, carrying that oil outside, and the inevitable spills that goes with it were part of most store operations. The SanEcoTank is part of our inside grease recovery system that allows for safer and cleaner disposal of your used cooking oils and greases from your businesses. Our system increases employee safety in minimizing the manipulating of hot oils, eliminating spills in and out of your facilities, and by minimizing the odor issues from disposing of used cooking oils. It's easy to use, and if used properly, requires no maintenance. Here are the key safety instructions to follow while disposing of your used cooking oil with the SanEcoTank. Use caution when disposing of hot cooking oil. Use extreme caution to prevent burns. Before transporting hot cooking oil and pouring it into the tank, you must let it cool down below 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Carrying hot cooking oil is very dangerous and should not be done until the oil is cooled down. The user should wear the correct equipment before handling hot oil. Ensure that your oil and other greases are free of particles by using a strainer to filter your oil. Solid particles can cause the system to clog. To move the oil, use the correct equipment such as a caddy or a pail with a sturdy handle. The SanEcoTank must be used with liquefied oil or grease only. Never put water or any other substance in it, as the pump is lubricated from the oil that passes through it. You should never let it run dry for more than 30 seconds. Here's how to use your SanEcoTank. Before using the system, ensure that every hose is well connected. Connect the end of the hose to the caddy or put the filter end of the wand into the oil. Make sure the pail is stable and won't fall over. Activate the switch to start pumping the oil. Once the pail or caddy is empty, wait 5 to 10 seconds before turning off the pump switch. This allows the hose to empty all the remaining grease, ensuring it doesn't solidify in the hose. Overlooking this step can cause the system to clog, losing its effectiveness. Remove the hose from the caddy or pail and put it in the container at the base of the tank. Be careful that no oil is dripping from the hose, as this could cause a slip hazard. Here are some pointers if you encounter problems with your SanEcoTank. What if the pump isn't working as it should? To ensure the system's efficiency, you should soak your hoses in hot water once or twice a month. This should remove any solidified grease that may have built up inside your hoses. Ensure that the grease pumped is liquid and doesn't contain solid particles. Use the filtering wand on your hoses to remove particles from the grease or oil as it is pumped. What if the pump doesn't start? Make sure the pump is plugged into an electrical outlet. Next, check to see if the pump is very hot. If it is, the overheat switch has been activated to shut down the pump for one of the following reasons. The overflow valve has been activated. If the grease level reached the maximum fill line, your tank is full and you can no longer use your system. Call SanEmax to have your grease picked up. The hoses are clogged. Soak them in hot water, as seen earlier. The pump mechanism is jammed. Wait 60 to 120 minutes before using the pump. Then press the red reset button on the back of the pump to reactivate the overheat protection. Start the pump again and make sure there is suction by putting your glove at the end of the hose. If the pump still doesn't work, call the number under the maximum fill line on the SanEcoTank. You now have all the information needed to correctly use your SanEcoTank. Now that you've concluded this short and important training video, always remember to follow the guidelines to ensure that every staff member benefits from a clean, safe, and efficient way to dispose of used cooking oil and grease. Thank you for choosing the SanEcoTank Grease Recovery System from SanEmax.